Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Advance Aquaclean 18 FLX carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace a damaged recovery tank drain hose. Super simple, easiest way to do it. Make sure your recovery tank is drained fully. Go ahead and take it off, flip it upside down on the machine here. Kind of rest it up against your leg. Now what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this hose clamp. Just like that, and then pull the drain hose off. Installing the new drain hose, reverse your steps. Put the new drain hose back on. And tighten down the clamp. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.